Hello friends, you are watching InfoNexus. Have you ever seen a plane that can carry more passengers than a train at one time? And what if 32 tires are put under this plane? Have you ever seen another plane being transported inside a plane? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the biggest airplanes ever made in the world. So let's start our countdown. Airbus A380 friends. This unusual plane that you are seeing in first glance looks like a fake plane. But you will be surprised to know that this is a real aircraft. Its name is Airbus A380, and this plane is actually under construction. But the company that made it, Airbus, says that this will be the world's largest passenger plane. According to the developers, this plane is the upgraded version of Airbus A380. Well, this plane has not been launched yet, so we don't know much about it. But according to reports, this will be a triple-decker plane. This plane will have 3 floors, and each floor will have 300 to 350 seats, which will be made very luxurious and comfortable. In addition to this, 6 high-power engines have been installed. Well, the most unique thing about this plane is its shape. It looks like a building. Anyway, whatever it is, this plane is really very weird. You Airbus A380 friends, Airbus A380 is the world's largest passenger plane. It was launched by the Airbus company in December 2000 and completed its first flight in April 2005. $10.7 billion was spent to make it. You won't believe that this plane is so big that 853 passengers can travel at a time in it. It means that this plane can carry passengers as much as an average train and fly. This plane is 236 feet long, and its wings are 261 feet long. The wings of this plane are longer than an airplane. Apart from this, its width is about 25 feet. You will be surprised to know that this plane is so massive that its height is equal to a 10-story building. 4 engines are installed in it that give it power to fly. Well, despite being so big, this plane can fly at a speed of 1,100 km per hour. The world's most famous airlines, including Emirates Airlines, Singapore Airlines, British Airways, and Qatar Airways, are also using this plane. This is really amazing. Airbus Beluga XL friends. This unique plane you are seeing looks like it is not a real plane, but it was made through Photoshop. But you will be surprised to know that it is a real cargo plane. It looks like a beluga whale. Although its real name is Airbus 330, but due to its unusual whale appearance, it has been named Beluga XL. This is the modified version of Airbus Beluga. Was launched in 2018. The total length of this plane is more than 260 feet, and its height is 62 feet. It means that it is twice as big as an electric pole. Actually, the body of this plane is made thick so that it can hold the largest cargo atom. This plane can easily carry a weight of up to 227 tons. Even an aircraft can be loaded inside it. It has been officially named the best cargo plane in the world. It is really amazing. Boeing 747 Dreamlifter friends, this oversized aircraft you are seeing is manufactured by Evergreen, a Taiwanese company. According to the manufacturer, $1 billion was spent on making it. Actually, Dreamlifter is a cargo plane, and its unique design is made for a special purpose. This is the longest cargo holder plane in the world. Its length is 265 feet, and its height is more than 70 feet. You will be surprised to know that this plane is bigger than a 7-story building. Actually, there are many such airplane manufacturer companies in the world that make planes. And sometimes they need the parts and body of the plane. This plane has been specially built to transport the body and parts of new airplanes. Even the whole body of a passenger plane can easily come in it. Anyway, whatever it is one of the most important and useful aircraft in the world. C-5 Galaxy friends. This aircraft you are seeing is the world's largest military transport aircraft. It was made in 1960. Actually, this aircraft was built for the American force so that military goods and vehicles can be transported easily in it. The length of this plane is 247 feet. Not only this, but this cargo aircraft can also carry a weight of up to 135 tons. You won't believe that the size of this plane is so big that along with military equipment, long and heavy vehicles can also be transported in it. Moreover, 50-ton tanks and even helicopters can easily come in this plane. 4 high-power engines are installed in C-5 Galaxy that help it fly. This plane has also been used for many rescue operations. Anyway, whatever it is, this aircraft is no less than a monster. Antonov An-225 friends. This plane you are seeing is the largest cargo plane ever built in the world. It was started by the Soviet Union in Ukraine in 1980. And this plane completed its first flight in 1988. This plane is 275 feet long. And in simple words, its length is equal to the third part of a football field. Besides this, its width is 290 feet and its height is 60 feet. You won't believe that this aircraft can easily fly in the air, carrying a weight of 640 tons. And despite carrying so much load, its top speed is not less than 850 km per hour. Where 4 to 6 tires are installed in other planes, 32 tires are installed in Antonov so that it can land easily. There is only one such cargo plane in the world. And it is no less than a monster. This is really incredible. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.